Hey guys, Christina here from Pocketful of Letters to show you how to refill your Zebra X-701 pen. This pen is awesome because you can write with it upside down and at all sorts of weird angles. And as far as I know, it is the only pen that can write at temperatures as low as -30 degrees Fahrenheit. The difference between the X-701 and other pressurized pens is that it features a patent-pending pressurized barrel, allowing an ordinary pen refill that fits within the pen to become pressurized. The first thing you are going to do is to take apart your pen. Carefully twist off the tip of the pen barrel. There's a spring in there, so you are going to want to be careful. Remove the current ink refill and place the spring on the refill ink. Now insert the refill ink into the barrel. I like to make sure it's engaged with the pen, so I give it a few clicks before I reinsert the tip of the barrel. Put the tip of the barrel back on the pen, give it a little twist, and there you go! Do a little scribble test to make sure the ink is coming out correctly, and you're ready to start using your X-701 pen. Make sure you follow us on social media, and if you have any additional questions, please let us know. For additional refills, visit zebrapen.com.